हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू यूरोपीड एजुकेशन। आई एम जितेंद्र त्यागी। सो जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, यूरोपीड एजुकेशन ने लॉन्च किया है एटीसी जेई के लिए मॉड्यूल। एक लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज अभी अनाउंस हुआ है एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी की तरफ से। तो एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है फॉर मैनी स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू ज्वाइन पीएसयू। ओके, सो जो स्टूडेंट्स इस एग्ज़ाम के लिए, अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम के लिए सीरियसली प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं, फॉर देम यूरोपीडिया हैज़ launched a dedicated module. Okay, now how you can find the details of the module, so that I am telling you here. You visit to the website yourpedia.in. okay, so this page will come, then you will click find a course, and there you will get this AI ATC JEE exam preparation. Okay, so you will click that. Now 496 JEE positions, you can see, you can read about the detailed notification. Okay, here previous year papers you can download. Okay, free PDF notes you can download here, and all important videos which we provide on our YouTube channel, those you can download from here. Okay, so now let us talk about the module, dedicated module. Okay, so what we offer in our module. So right now we are offering two modules, you can say package 1 and package 2 for this upcoming exam. Okay, so package 1 is recorded 2023 last batch. Okay, so in this package what we have, price you can see 2199 for new students and 1699 for old Europedia students. Okay, if you have joined any of the Europedia course earlier, then price will be 1699 only for this course. So in this module we can see what are the details. Both technical and non-technical will be covered. Okay, so recorded classes are available, 150 hours, more than 150 hours recorded lectures are available. Okay, so we conducted the module last exam also, right? So all the classes which we conducted there, those all are available in the recorded form, and those are available for you. If you join the module, you can get direct access to all those lectures and you can watch them in a particular sequence. Okay, now other than the recorded lectures of entire syllabus coverage, we have practice questions ebook also with a detailed solution containing around 2000 questions, more than 2000 questions may be there. Okay, and online test series is also included in this module. Okay, and full syllabus is covered for ATC exam, which contain your physics part, mathematics part, aptitude, reasoning, English, GS. Entire syllabus you will get in recorded form here. Okay, then admissions for this module are open, you can join, and validity of the module is for 6 months. Okay, so you can call the executive to join this module, or you can directly join from the website here by clicking buy package. Okay, now come to another module, that is package number 2. So this is recorded last batch plus live new batch. Okay, so the price of this module is higher as compared to this one, 3199 for new students and 2499 for old Europedia students. Okay, so now let us see the details. Okay, view details. So here both technical and non-technical things will be covered. Okay, recorded class. Okay, so this module is also available here also, previously which we have covered, all the lectures are available here, and here we will cover syllabus by live classes also. Okay, so what is the main difference between these two? Okay, again classes will start from tomorrow Wednesday onwards. Okay, and entire syllabus will be covered in those classes. Okay, so you can join our classes which will be conducted mostly in evening or morning. Okay, so that time is suitable for maximum candidates, so you will join those classes, you will. Okay, and then benefit is that you can interact with the teacher daily. Okay, daily classes will be there, so you can attend that class and you can learn the concept and you can interact with the teacher, you can ask your doubt immediately in the class itself. So that is the more advantage of this. Okay, so fresh questions according to the previously conducted exam may be there. Okay, some updation may be there, right? So this is the benefit of this module. Now 2000 questions available in this module also, right? And online test series available in this module, complete syllabus will be covered. Okay, and admissions are open for this module also, you can click on here but directly. Okay, or you can call the executive for any query, right? You know, this exam is very, very important, and this is an exam which is providing job opportunity in a short span of time actually. Okay, means they have announced the notification, and just the last date to apply is over. After some days you will get your admit card released, and then they will give you the time and date of the exam. So it will not take much time actually, and after that very soon they announce result, and then next stage are also concluded very soon. Okay, so within 6 months you can have a job with you. Okay, you can go for training, like the students who appeared for the exam in the month of January, now they are undergoing their training. Okay, so this is the advantage of this examination. So those eligible graduates, okay, who want to join a government organization offering good package, good salary structure, good lifestyle, okay, work life balance, all the things, so that is very, very good opportunity for all of you. Okay, so जो भी सीरियसली प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं, कल से ही क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो रही हैं, बुधवार से यूट्यूब क्लासेस हमारी ऑलरेडी चल रही हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कल भी क्लास हुई है, टुडे आल्सो वी हैव क्लास. ओके, डेली इवनिंग में आपकी 5 PM यूट्यूब पे हमारी क्लास भी रहेंगी, वो आप अटेंड कर सकते हैं. और डेडिकेटेड पैनल पे क्लासेस हमारी बुधवार से स्टार्ट हो रही हैं. तो बहुत काफ़ी बच्चे ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं. दोज हु डिड नॉट ज्वाइन मे ज्वाइन. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.